Hey everyone, if your TikTok messages aren't working or not sending, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. The issue could be a glitch in the app or a small mistake on your end. So let's sort it out. Make sure that the person for whom the message is not working has not blocked you. If you're blocked, you'll not be able to text them. And some profiles on TikTok are private, so if you don't follow them, you'll not be able to text them. So make sure to try these out and see if the problem gets fixed. If not, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear cache of TikTok. Go to your app gallery or home screen, tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option Storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on Clear Cache and confirm your action. After that, see if your problem is fixed or not. If that did not work, then come back to these same settings and then tap Clear Data. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will log you out of your TikTok app completely and reset it. So you will need to log back to your account again, but after the reset, your problem should be fixed. Now clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions. So you should go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok app all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Solution 2. Reinstall TikTok. If the problem is with the app, you might need to reinstall it to properly resolve the problem. So on your app gallery or home screen, press and hold on to the TikTok app, then tap Uninstall and confirm the action. After this, go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Simply reinstalling the TikTok app from here. After reinstalling, log back in and see if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem persists, try one last method. Solution 3. Report on the problem. Open TikTok, then go to the Profile section, tap the 3 line in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. In here, select Interaction to expand this option. Then tap Direct Message. Select Unable to send direct messages. In here, you'll get an explanation on why direct messages are not working. Make sure to read all of it and see if that fixes your problem. If they don't work out either, then scroll to the bottom of this page and select No in the answer to the question. After that, tap on Need More Help. Now write about your problem to TikTok. You can write something like, "Hello TikTok team, my messages are not working and sending, so please help me fix the problem." And you can also add screenshots or screen records of your problem as attachments by tapping these icons here. Once you are done, hit the submit button and confirm your action. After this, the TikTok team will contact you in 24 to 48 hours and hopefully fix the problem. So folks, those are the solutions for TikTok messages not working or sending issues on Android. Hopefully one of these methods worked for you. If it did, be sure to give this video a like, it really helps. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. See you soon.